Common competencies. Lesson 2. Performing computer operations, PCO. Content. Task identification. Planning. Preparing. Operational health and safety, OHS, guidelines and procedures. Computer hardware. Keyboard. Mouse. Hard drives. Monitor. Computer application software. Content standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the underlying principles of operation and maintenance of a computer based on the task assigned and required outcome. Performance standard. The learners shall be able to perform computer operations based on the task assigned and required outcome. Learning competencies. Learning outcome number 1. Plan and prepare for task to be undertaken. Learning outcome number 1.1. Determine requirements of task in accordance with job specifications. Learning outcome number 1.2. Select appropriate hardware and software in accordance with task assigned and required outcome. Learning outcome number 1.3. Plan task to ensure that the OHS guidelines and procedures are followed. Code. TLE_EPAS 912 PCOIC D4.